So, you wish there was a stable diffusion engine that was trained specifically on just anime. Not a problem. Real quick, shoutouts to Eager Passion for bringing this tool to my attention. She's a 3D anime modeler, so definitely check her stuff out if you get the chance. Alright, just to be upfront, if you want beautiful anime characters, obviously if you have the computer and the setup for it, Waifu Diffusion is an amazing resource. But if you do not have a machine for that and you're cool with spending $10 a month, Novel AI is an excellent tool that you should check out. The difference between Waifu Diffusion and Novel AI is Waifu includes a bunch of different art styles, where Novel AI specifically has a mode trained only on anime. So because it's so sharply tuned to nothing but anime, it almost always gets you a really nice looking face, and usually pretty decent hands. Because it's modeled after Stable Diffusion, the number of images, the quality, the seed, all that stuff pretty much works the same as it would on the normal Stable Diffusion website. So if you want Samus Aran as a cheerleader, there you go. If you want her in a miniskirt, not a problem. You want all that at the beach? You got it. What if you want a succubus? Just type it in. How about a succubus singing karaoke? Damn, just look at it go. And this site isn't just for well-cultured individuals. You can be wholesome too. You want to see 02 wearing a kimono? All you gotta do is ask. What about 2B wearing a kimono? Beautiful. What about 2B as a cheerleader? That is adorable. And it can do retro stuff too. If you type in a 1980s retro anime of Samus wearing a kimono, it does a pretty good job at sticking to the style. So if you want to create anime concepts, I honestly think there's never been a better time to be alive. So hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.